This video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in WordPress Elementor. In order to do this, head over right here to your elementor.com, log in, and create an account if you do not have one yet. So let's host Elementor with WordPress. So head over to wordpress.com. You can click on this Get Started right here if you do not have an account yet, or you can click on this login if you already have one. On my case, I already have an account. So this is what my actual web page open on Elementor editor that I have hosted on WordPress. I want to change the background color right here. In order to do this, just open the Elementor editor for this particular page and you should be able to see this cogwheel right here. Click onto this, and then after that you can see this style option. Now you can see that we have the background type. We can choose classic or gradient. Just choose in here the classic option and you can add in here an image or choose a color. On my case, let's head over and choose a color. For example, let's make it color pink. And as you can see, I have changed the background of this particular page right there. It's actually just quite as easy as that. However, if you just want to change a section's background color, you can change the particular section. For example, let's add in here a container first. So let's add a container. And under that container, let's head over and then add a text. So I want to change the background color of this. So in order to do that, you first need to head over or hover to that particular container and click onto this six dots right here. Once you have done that, just head over to the style option and scroll down until you can see this background. You can change its background type by going to the classic, gradient, video, or slideshow. Head over to the classic, change the color from there. Let's also make in here a hot pink one, and this is what it looks like. So that's how you change background color in WordPress. I hope this video helped you out.